ध्यान से सुनो।
Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
मैं तुमसे बहुत नाराज हूँ।
I am very angry with you. I am very angry with you.
भगवान के लिए
For God's sake. For God's sake.
क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ?
Can I come in? Can I come in?
क्या मैं आपके साथ चलूं?
Shall I go with you? Shall I go with you?
पंखा चलाओ।
Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan.
मुझसे गुस्सा क्यों हो?
Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me?
क्या मैं अब जा सकता हूँ?
Can I go now? Can I go now?
कृपया नाराज न हो।
Kindly don't be angry. Kindly don't be angry.
क्या ये सच है?
Is it true? Is it true?
यह सही है।
That's right. That's right.
बहुत दिन पहले
Long, long ago. Long, long ago.
मैं तुम्हें याद करता हूँ।
I miss you. I miss you.
समय पर आना।
Come on time. Come on time.
वो अब नहीं रहा।
He is no more. He is no more.
उससे चोट लग गई।
He got hurt. He got hurt.
आप वापस कब लौटेंगे?
When will you come back? When will you come back?
आप कहाँ ठहरेंगे?
Where will you stay? Where will you stay?
मुझे गलत मत समझो।
Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong.
क्या मैं आपसे कल फिर मिलूं?
Shall I meet you again tomorrow? Shall I meet you again tomorrow?
हर चीज का वक्त होता है।
There is a time for everything. There is a time for everything.
यह पानी साफ है।
This is pure water. This is pure water.
वह आदमी कौन है?
Who is that fellow? Who is that fellow?
वो घर किसका है?
Whose is that house? Whose is that house?
तुम सुनते क्यों नहीं हो?
Why don't you listen? Why don't you listen?
अंत भला तो सब भला।
All's well that ends well. All's well that ends well.
आज कल क्या चल रहा है?
What's up these days? What's up these days?